friends, running kimono. So we have a really superb deal to get these supplements for 49 cents each. It's absolutely on fire, so I don't know if there's like smoke coming out of the screen. I want to give a very special shout out to Instagrammer Daily Deals with Daisy. Go and look her up if you are on Instagram. Just type in that name and find her and go and give her a follow. She's absolutely fantastic, and this is her deal. So I just love this deal because I love the Nature's Bounty supplements. I will be very, very strict with you guys to pay attention that you are picking up Nature's Bounty. There's another supplement with an identical packaging called Nature's Truth, and I get them confused all the time. Like this video if you do the same thing as I, especially when you're trying to do a $30, $40 bonus cash basket at Rite Aid. That's my favorite, and I've done that more than once. Okay, so we're going to grab 2 of these. Pay attention, Nature's Bounty 2. Now, currently, we have this digital coupon, which is a $3 off, so please make sure you have it loaded. There's also a 2 off of 2, but this is the more valuable one, so this is the one that you're going to want to load. And these supplements are also on a buy one get one free promotion, just to note that too. Over on IBOTTA, we have $2 back for each. Now, looking at this, because we have a couple seconds to show you guys something this morning, a lot of you will say, oh, that's at Rite Aid only. You're lying again, Kimono. Fake news. It's at Rite Aid only, because the little box at the top says Rite Aid. But if you scroll down just a smidge, you could see it's at many stores: Rite Aid, Meijer, Walmart, and then Walgreens. And then if I wanted to do pickup, I could do it at CVS and drive 16 hours to go get it. So there it is. A lot of you that just see the little, the first store that's mentioned, it's not only at that one store. If it has multiple layers below it, or stickers below it, it's at many stores. So just scroll down a little bit and there's your answer. Now, what makes this deal so much better is that coupons.com until Saturday has $1 back for one of them. So yes, you can claim one of them and that's an extra $1 back. So that makes it so good. Now, if you're putting $7.99 or $7.49 into your basket, you're going to be short by $2.51. So this is what I did. Of course, the 2 supplements, buy one, get one free. I put in 3 of the Reese's peanut butter cups that have the different coupons attaching. So 3 of them is $3.75. Because there's an IVC, it dips it down, which is kind of weird. So just to show you, these are the digital coupons that we're loading. We have the $1.25 manufacturer and the 1 off of 2 IVC. Now, if you used those coupons earlier in the week, you're going to have to find something else to put in the basket, because obviously you don't have the coupons anymore to make the deal happen. So maybe Epsom salt or something like that. And looking at the overall basket, the manufacturer for the Reese's is gone. Nature's Bounty, $3 off as well. And then 1 IVC, $1 off for buying 2 of the chocolates. Looking at the overall basket again, the sum of the basket is $11.24. IVC $1 off. Curbside pickup is free. Now, here's the thing. For these supplements in store compared to online, what are the difference in the price? If you wanted to do this in store because it's easier for the receipt and all that stuff, maybe just go to the store and then see, and then maybe order them in store with your cell phone if it's cheaper to do it curbside, because I don't know what the price of these supplements are. Sometimes with vitamins, these sort of things, they're a little bit more in store than as a curbside. So we're looking at curbside math. Free curbside pickup, no tax for these products, $4.25 in manufacturer's melting off right there. And then you're going to get $4 back from IBOTTA, and then you're getting $1 back from coupons.com. So that $5.99 drops down to 99 cents for the 5 items. I'm not going to count in the 3 chocolate bars, but it's basically like 99 cents for 2 of those supplements, which is a really good deal. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it, and then get your receipt. And if your store doesn't print receipts, you're going to have to figure that out. Just go to the store and do the deal if you want these supplements and make it happen that way. It's in the store policy that they will honor one price for a curbside pricing, like for online to in store, and because it's a BOGO free, if you can get it at $7.49 for the two, you possibly can entertain that. But if your store's super strict, I wouldn't touch it. But just a little bit of food for thought if you wanted to go down that avenue. Last thing I want to talk about is a lot of us got this like $15 or $7 of Walgreens cash when you fill a prescription. This one is obviously for from January to March. A lot of us got one that's going to be going out for the next 3 or 4 months. It's basically if you get a prescription filled at the pharmacy, punch in your store number, and then once it's fulfilled, you will get X amount of Walgreens cash. That's how this one works as well. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.